Good morning, Alpha Traders. Live on YouTube. What's up, all my esteemed viewers? All right, let's see what we got going on in these markets. Why people load up into the Discord. Sure, it's gonna be a mad rush like Black Friday. Be careful, Jeff. Alpha Trading, you might get run over.
I'm trying.
Yeah, brother. Let's see here. Yeah, the dollar Dixie just kicked up a notch. Man, these NASDAQ minis move like crazy, man. Move like crazy. There's old P-Funk. Yeah, there's old Yasha. Just watching these minis dump as the dollar gets a little strength. Here, pre-market. SPY down. SPY down. The minis are definitely down. S&P and NASDAQ. Crypto, of course. Crypto's crypto. The only thing green's Doge. Litecoin up 0.75%. Everything else is red. Everything else is red. Let's go to traditional markets here real quick where they're getting ready to open up. See how things closed yesterday. I mean, everybody was all excited. Santa rally back on. It's like, give me a break. All right, so we had a little green yesterday. All good. Looks like oil is eyeballing $80 again. Gold and silver down. Talked about silver yesterday, telling everybody, hey, watch out, man. I think it probably capped out about 24. Not looking like it's going to go much higher. We'll see what happens. Our tools are pretty good, though. You had Netflix up 3.39%. Meta was up 2.28%. Apple up 2.38%. Google still can't get the fuck out of the way of itself. Up 0.69%. Let's throw Tesla in that group too. Can't get out of the way of itself. Elon keeps dropping Twitter files, pissing off all kinds of people. I love it, to be honest, but yeah, it is what it is. That's why the stock's crashing. Only reason, in my opinion. A lot of people selling off. Think Elon's some sort of whatever. I like Elon. I like what he's doing with the Twitter files for sure. Let the American people know how scammy the government really is. If you didn't know already, or if you think those Twitter files are BS, I don't know what to tell you. Let's see what else. VIX up a little bit today, right? Had a nice drop, almost dropped below 20 yesterday. Kind of strange. Let's see. Nike was the winner, right? With that earnings play, 12.18%. Posted that in a couple discords. What a great what a great play in options for that earnings play for Nike. Literally 2 lots would have netted you. I'm pretty sure it was almost $3,000. $3,000 first, and literally on the open. Pretty good. If you were able to get that trade in yesterday. You know, nice vertical, call vertical or something. I mean, obviously you can just buy premium. I really don't just straight buy premium though. Options are made to sell. Bottom line, options are made to sell. Lots of great strategies. Let's see here. Anything else really moving? No. Yeah, it was Nike yesterday. There's a lot of earnings coming though. When was that? CarMax earning was, I believe, yesterday after close. Am I correct? Let me see something here. Let's pop over. Oh, there you are. There you are. I got a CarMax up on here. Let's see here real quick. I thought I had it on my chart or on my watch list. Maybe I don't. Interesting. Let's see here. What is CarMax? I think it's KRMX? Maybe? No. What the hell is CarMax? Come on! Oh. Let's go the old-fashioned way. Just spell it KMX. I was close. Let's see here. Put that on the watch list. Yes. Add to watch list. Thank you very much. Move that up. Actually, did I already have that sucker on? Nope, there it is. Okay, let's see. Where was I just going with that? Oh yeah, the earnings. The earnings. Where are you? Let's see. CarMax. Pop this tab open. 12:22. Maybe it's today after the close, or was it before the open? Don't know for sure. It is today. Earnings today on CarMax. Let's take a look at this real quick. Let's see if there's a trade set up here. Everybody wants signals. Signals! Who's trading options? Who wants a good earnings play? I've been on the green tea for about an hour now. It's starting to hit me. Let's see here. On the daily, got the Z-score of log returns down here at the bottom. Confidence intervals. It's volatility. Volatility is a little shaky. Expansion, contraction. Expansion, contraction. Definitely had a little bit of a trend on that down move on the daily. It's turning back up now, going back up into randomness. Fishers are trying to turn up. Is there a little div? Not really. I mean, some weak bull. We don't deal in weak bull. Siths deal in weak bull divergences, right? Jedis deal in regular bull and bear div, in hidden bull and bear div. We are Jedis here at Alpha Trading. Let's take a peek at this weekly. See if I can glean anything. No div. Wow. Got these fishers turning down too, but everything's dropping below the mean of the deviation bands. Random price action. Volatility is contracting, starting to slope negative. Z-score is low on the weekly too. All right, since this is a let me see. So that daily, I'm going to jump right to the 4 hour. Let's run down through here. This market opens. Yep, the trend kicked up on the 4 hour as well from that down move. The predictors flipped. All the fishers are up. I don't like the hidden bear div that's setting up here on CarMax. This play, especially today. Let me see here. And I'll tell you what I'm trying to do. I'm getting this bias for this options trade, right? Bullish, bearish, neutral. What am I? It's probably going to be a defined risk trade. But if I can get it bias on my direction, I'm going to throw on a vertical, right? If not, I'll throw on an iron condor. Nice wide spread out at the expected move, or maybe the first standard deviation, second standard deviation. Might not be a lot of meat on the bone, but hey, can just add lots. Let me see here. So the 90 minutes totally random. Looking like the predictor flipped right as it went totally random too. Contracting volatility, positively correlated. This last 4 hour candle yesterday. What's going to happen? There was bull div. There was bull div definitely down here to get this thing to kick up this small percentage. I mean, it's not even a lot, to be honest. Not this 45 close. Okay. 45's closing with a lot of hidden bull like that. 33. Not so much. All the fishers are turning down too. Volatility's crash. What was that volatility on the 45? Yeah, okay, contracting. 33 at a zero read, almost all the lengths, right? You got the 981 and the 2400 creeping down here too. What are they at? A 494 and a 15.25. Those are the two reads. Obviously, 525 is crushed. Or did I might have switched this back to a 636. Nope, still on 525, which is fine. They're both good lengths. They are both good lengths. How this last 15-minute candle, that was a little bullish, wasn't it? Very interesting. Off some hidden bull. Only one fisher up, random price action. That last 15-minute candle, had some nice expansion up to a 76%. Imagine if I threw this on a 10 length on this correlation. It would be positive. Happened too quick. Probably happened, literally right before close. Let's see, returns oscillator at the upper band. Literally getting ready to set, or actually it is setting up some hidden bear divergence. There's definitely some bear div on the DLP. We're talking 15-minute time frame though here, folks. I mean, from what I just saw, and with current market conditions, in the way, let me check out these minis. Yeah, these minis aren't happy right now. SPY's down pre-market. Let's see, yesterday's daily. Boy, it was definitely tested. Opened up right at it and just bounced right off that tight daily range, right up to the 1 SD. We were talking about this too. But there you go. You got a wick right to the center. 2 of them right to the center of the SPY, the bottom of the weekly range. That's that red dotted line right there. Right? That's that red dotted line right here. That's right, folks. We got real levels. We got real levels. Volatility ranges, distribution levels. We're not dealing in market cipher bullshit over here at Alpha Trading. Who's in here? I'm over hammering somebody over it right now. And he's crying like a little girl. Please don't talk about me. Oh boy. It's okay. I can only hold my tongue for so long when I see people literally using a scam indicator, posting TA in other discords. I don't like that. I don't like that. I'll call a scammer out every time. You're either part of the scam or you are dumb as a box of rocks and you have fallen for the scam. Either way, it's not somebody I would be looking to for any type of technical analysis. The type of technical analysis I'm looking for, people I want to talk to, they're talking about volatility. They're talking about entropy. They're talking about the distribution. It's pretty damn simple. Right? We trade like the high frequency trading firms, the big algos. We don't mess around. Right? We're not messing around with gimmicks. No, sir. So the dollar went up right to the bottom of its weekly and it's rejecting again. Man, oh man. It's been having a struggle with this weekly range. Really has. Really has. I mean, going into this, we got the close tomorrow, right? So going into the last week of the year, it's going to be real interesting. Now, obviously, a lot of people are away, right? A lot of people are on vacation. They're on holiday. So it would be, don't be surprised if we don't see some crazy volatility in these markets kick up the last week. Would not shock me at all. And to be honest, it wouldn't shock me at all to see a little relief, a nice relief pump, right? Probably going into the first week, maybe into all of January. We'll see. Because hey, VIX is low, right? VIX has been dropping. Obviously, it's up 2.24% today. But as these assets have been getting crushed, the VIX has been going down. That's not normal. That's not normal. When the VIX usually is going down, the markets are going to start to pump, right? I mean, the VIX is the volatility of the S&P, so it's the vol of all. So it's something to pay attention to. The dollar seems to me like it's just hanging on. It just looks weak to me. It really does. I wouldn't be a bit surprised going into the new year if this dollar drops back down, right? At least a few points. Let's see, where's this monthly support levels at? Is that the S1? Let's see, let's drag her down. There's the S2, or is that the S3? It's the S3, I think. Make sure. Not one down here hiding. Yep, right to where I was talking about. A few points. Bottom of the monthly range is right down there at 100.287. That would be all right. So here, let me real quick do something. What time is it? 9:12. Market's getting ready to open. Who's all in here? Yasha. You got anything, Yasha? Matt? What are you guys doing? Jeff? See, time to fly. She's always in here. Staunch supporter. Love it. Let's see. So here's CarMax. I'm over here on my account. I want to see if there's any meat on this bone on the daily options here on CarMax. This could be a good play. You know what, though? Let's see here real quick. CarMax earnings time. Earning report. Let's see. Before market open. Take a quick peep at this. Any news? Just reading real quick. Yeah, when you're trading options, especially as earnings play, a lot more goes into it, man. We're not trading like freaking crypto shit coins. It doesn't matter, right? The news, the fundamentals, all that shit doesn't matter. They're all pump and dumps anyway. Let me see here. Although I love crypto, everybody knows it. Don't think I won't be in there trading them futures again. This shit needs to shake out, though. I don't trust these exchanges, man. I don't trust any of them. I don't care what name is on it. I do not trust them right now. Let's see. 3.38. Oh, it actually looks... that makes me want to maybe do a vertical call spread. But you're always safe with a condor. Let me see here. Especially, what's the IV rank? I mean, Jesus. The IV rank's 106.1. That's screaming iron condor. Screaming iron condor. You know what? Let's see here. No, it's fine. I could real quick pop up. On hi, Merry Christmas. I mean, nice. Let's see real quick. And where I've got these minis, let's shake this up. Let me throw CarMax up on there, man. Where are you? There you are. Okay. Yeah, you can see you had a nice little move yesterday, right? 2.79%, not too big. This is what I'm really looking at. So where is this at in the weekly range? We're down here on, it bounced right off the daily yesterday. Did a 1SD move, got up to the daily R2, pulled back a little bit, and then ran right back up to the 1SD before close. We're down here, though. That's what monthly level is that? Is that the S1? There's the month. Ooh, type monthly, too. Man, has this got the juice to go up to that monthly level with this earnings? Let me see here. I'm thinking more of like, let's see what the expected move is. Wow. Plus 10 points. Plus or minus 10 points is the expected move on Tastyworks. So it definitely could get up there, man. It definitely could get up there. There's no doubt about it. What was that at? Where are we at right now? Right about $60. That monthly range is at 68. God, you could go beyond it. So when the expected move is plus or minus 10, we're talking about, it's at right now 59.24. I mean, we could go 69 to the top side or 49 to the bottom side. At least that's the, so you throw on a condor over here. I don't want to show this live on YouTube. That's why I'm not popping it up. Let's see, where are you? But I'll post it. I'll post a picture of it. Let's see. Let me scale that down a little bit, man. That thing is big. Not wanting to scale, I see. It's okay. So the expected move is way up here, man. Holy shit. And it's right under the 1SD. I'd be safe on the call side, buying the call at 49. 3-point spread, yeah. So if I could get 50% of the width of that spread, that would be $1.50. Like that math? Quick, huh? Let me see here. To the bottom, or to the top side to 70. And let's see. It's pulled down. There we go. 3-point spread to the bottom side. Yeah, man. That ain't that bad. Although, there's just no meat on these dailies, man. There is no meat on the bone. Let me see here real quick. Let's go out. Yeah, right at the end. What's the 8-day? Let's see here. 4%. Drop this down. Let's see here. Ladies and gentlemen. Clause 31%, huh? I don't like that. I do like this, though. Go up there by that expected move, right at 50. Boom, boom, boom. Drop this one down to 70 and 67. Max profit. There we go. There, we got a 52% pop there. But like on the Iron Condor, right? This is pretty much what you're looking for, like a 2-to-1, right? Max loss, 200. Max profit, 100. Probability of profit, 52%. And it is a little, it's only $1. There's only $1 juice. I'm looking for $1.50, so it's not, Let me see if I move this up a little bit. That's what I love about this platform too, man. Really cool. You can do so much on this Tastyworks platform. P-Funk in here? Yeah, P-Funk's in here. Dude, I'm
What's up?
I'm starting to grind on this platform, man. Once you learn it all, dude, Tastyworks is pretty cool, man.
Cool. Maybe we can spend an hour some point together on it.
100%, man.
Cool.
1670. I kind of like this. I kind of like this trade. What's the buying power? Yep, 200 because of the loss. Let's see here. Boy, I tell you what, though, I have a feeling this dollar is going to just keep rejecting from this weekly range. I would like to see it down a few points. Give these markets a little boost there. Let me see. Oh, the minis definitely, when the dollar pumped a little bit here in the last hour, the minis definitely dropped off. NASDAQ more than the S&Ps.
Yep.
Man, this is... We're grinding on this trade.
Systems trading today.
Yeah. Call vertical. Boom. Let's do the call vertical. Up to 65. Ooh, that ain't bad. Ooh, that's real nice, actually. CarMax earnings.
Which one are you looking at, CarMax?
CarMax, yeah, they got earnings right now, right before open. I kind of like this. I like the Condor. There just wasn't a lot of meat on the bone. This is a little better, and it's exactly what I'm looking for. I mean, it's a 5-point call vertical, and yeah, you're getting what, $2.45. Let me see here. I could pop on,
symbol.
Throw a couple lots. Well, the buying power is 245.
What's the symbol on it? KMX?
KMX, yep. KMX. KMX. And it's got, let's see, you got and so the expected move that's on Tastyworks is up here pretty much right at the monthly range to the top side. And the bottom side, we're talking, where you at? Yeah, weekly, is that the bottom of the weekly range? It is. That's pretty powerful, man. That's how good our tools are. I mean, they're running the expected move over there. Well, the bottom of our weekly range and to the downside move and our monthly range to the top side is what Tastyworks has as their expected move, plus or minus 10 points.
Well, where's it trading? 52 right now? So it's down 7?
I think it's, what is it trading at? 59.
52.30.
CarMax?
40.
CarMax is
It
at...
already had its earnings. But not, maybe you're right, but I mean, it looks like something came out.
Well, I think people were probably front running those earnings because it literally, I just pulled it up when it was, and it was like before market open on the 22nd.
Right. So that's probably, they were probably done at 7 a.m.
Okay.
You know what I mean? That's why the stock is down from 59.06 to...
Oh, is that baby? Oh, there it is. Yep. Jesus, man. There it is. I didn't go down enough. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Just trying to help you out a little bit, brother.
No, I didn't even see it down there, man.
That's all right.
So, yeah, it's down what? 7 points. I mean, Jesus, man. It almost dumped to the bottom side.
Obviously, they missed. No offense.
No, hell, it's not like I'm attached to CarMax. I just know they were having some earnings, seeing if there was a play. I wouldn't, you know what? I could see this thing. The earnings report actually didn't look bad, though. Didn't look bad. Huh. Yeah, that thing's, Jesus. Yeah. If anything, I would go right now and throw on, let me see here. What did this wild shit do? 52. Boom. 57. 340 pop. 50% profit, 65%. That's pretty good. All right. Let me get back over here. Yeah, I'm glad you pointed that out. The thing dropped so much, it wasn't even on my damn chart. I was like, no, it's right at 59. You're like, no, it's at 52. There she blows. There she blows. Yeah. Definitely looks
Makes some
like
sense.
was not good. Interesting. P-Funk to the rescue.
No, I'm sorry, man.
Oh, don't be.
Yeah.
I did not even see that. P-Funk 1, Bilbo 0.
No, not at all.
How cold's it up there?
Actually, not bad this morning. They're supposed to. They're talking about 50-mile-an-hour winds and 10 inches of snow starting at night tonight sometime.
Yeah.
But it's cold and that's not that bad. Yesterday was colder.
I'm so close to the line where the storm's going to be. I might
Right.
miss the damn thing, which would be nice.
Yeah. That's what you were saying yesterday. I don't know. We look smack dab in the middle of it here.
Is it raining right now? It says it's raining.
Well, that's what we're supposed to get to. We're supposed to get like 8 hours of rain first because it's warm.
Right.
Well, it does. It says it's 32 right now.
Yeah, it says 6 p.m. tonight it's supposed to start snowing.
Yeah, 4 a.m. here, it says.
Gotta pull up the freaking radar, see where this shit is.
So the bit miner went bankrupt last night. That's what I read.
Yeah, something
some
did.
bit-
Yeah, I saw that
miner.
too. The storm does not look that bad. What the fuck? Boy, it's definitely looking like it's gonna crush me though. Oh, it's trying to move north.
Right, that's why they're worried about it here.
Right, totally. Yeah, you're not far from Notre Dame either, are you?
I'm 3.5 hours.
Yeah, are you? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I'm next to Ann Arbor, so you know.
Yeah.
I'm literally right next to Ann Arbor.
Yep, totally. I've seen some good games in that stadium, man.
Yeah, man.
I remember the
Got a
first
big one coming up in a couple weeks. Not in that stadium, but
Right.
Michigan.
Remember the first time I went there? We're literally driving next to the stadium. We are drunk as shit. Not the driver. We had a DD, but so I'm like, so where's the stadium? Because dude, it's like it's like it's a fucking massive pit, and so I'm looking for this big stadium, right? And it's like we were right next to it, and I didn't even realize it. That's what liquor will do to you.
Wall.
Oh, dude. Then you walk in and you're like, what the fuck? We had a good time. We used to go to the Notre Dame, Michigan games and shit. I'm not a Notre Dame fan. I would go to, because obviously I'm a Purdue fan. Can't stand Notre Dame, to be honest. So I'd go there to root on Michigan to beat Notre Dame.
Well, then you fit right in there.
I fit right in.
Fit right in, man.
That's a wild crowd, dude.
Yeah.
Jesus.
111,000. They just make every seat about a millimeter shorter every year so they can cram more people in.
Dude, I mean, literally, your seat's like 8 inches wide.
You're being generous.
If nobody's sitting, everybody's got a bottle. Everybody's
Yeah.
got a bottle of booze, too.
Got to. It's too cold, man.
Yeah. Definitely too cold. Definitely too cold. All right, so that is down. Yeah, so that would have been the play, huh? A put vertical. Would have been good to try to throw on yesterday. Man, that report though. The little bit of the report I just read, it was it looked a little bullish. But yeah, that's where we're at in this market.
Ooh, silver's giving us an opportunity, huh?
Old silver.
Down 2%.
Yeah, right?
Nice. There's that opportunity I was going for.
Yeah,
a
we
little
were
bit lower.
talking about it yesterday. How? Let me see here. Yeah, silver might have blew its wad for a minute.
Well, you said yesterday. You called it, man.
Yeah,
You ran out.
that top. I
I
knew
never
that thing was.
extended.
I knew that thing was going to come down. And there's the weekly range right here. It's a magnet, man. It's coming right down to probably 23.3 area.
Good. I hope it does.
Yeah, that could be a. Let's take a peek at this little beast. Let's see here. Where are you at? Boom. Yeah, 4 hour. Let me see. Yeah, we got bear div. Bear div on the daily. All the fishers are turning down. Contracting volatility, positively correlated. I see. Yeah, bear div on the weekly too. I mean, pretty much the whole move. Whole move. The fishers are high. Fishers are real high. Still trending. Still trending. Volatility contracting, negatively correlated. Entropy and volatility are saying, hey, this thing can still move. But when you got the z-score log returns up here above the 99% confidence interval, variance kind of flat too, no big moves.
Bought my daughter a dollar coin yesterday, not a dollar coin, a silver, like a 1 ounce coin.
Yeah. What'd you pay?
For Christmas. And so a US coin was $36 and a Canadian coin was $31. It's the same amount of silver. Isn't that weird?
Did you buy the Canadian one?
Yeah, of course I did. Why? It's the same amount of silver.
I
man.
know.
You're gonna burn it down.
I
Melt it down. Come on.
Let's go.
What's that?
Charge.
Yeah.
The bugle call. You sure that's not my bugle call?
Somebody just bugle call?
Yeah, am I the only one that just heard that?
Yeah, I didn't hear a bugle call.
Well, what the hell? I did. Maybe it's just in my head. Maybe I just charge.
Oh, it's 9:30. The market just opened. Maybe that's your call.
Yes.
It is?
It is.
That's your market open.
That is my bugle call. It worked. If you didn't hear it, it damn sure was me.
Yeah, I didn't hear it. But I didn't have think or swim up, obviously.
Andy told me he was laughing his ass off when he was watching the video about the bugle call yesterday. It's like, yep, it's pretty funny. All right, let's see now. I'm gonna pop that back on. Yeah, but that silver pullback was a no-brainer. Let's see. Yeah, coming straight out of the hole, just like I thought. I mean, fuck. There was just no meat. I was looking at some calls down there around 52. It was just the risk reward's not there, man. I wouldn't be a bit surprised though if this thing runs right back up. It's got some work to do. These people are happy. This thing gonna move like Nike did yesterday. That was crazy, Nike move. Crazy. If you were in on that. You were in on that. It's like, yes. I was in a defined risk trade, though. I was in a defined risk trade. And did my Adobe trade get closed? I think it did. Oh, beautiful. Awesome. Fucking fantastic.
Does that mean it got closed?
Yeah. Adobe closed. Fuck, dude. 90% of my profit. Love it. That was a good trade.
You made 90% on it?
Yeah. Yep.
Nice job.
Yep, thank you, sir. It was like the weekly expiration. Expiring at the end of the day today. But yeah, yesterday I put in the order to close it. And boom. Executed right at the open. That's what I like. Got that buying power back. Wasn't a ton, but yeah. But now I'm dealing with this who is it? Spy. That Spy's in the money big time. I'm gonna have to do something. Or not Spy. Fuck, sorry. Tesla.
You have a condor there too?
Yeah, I did. And it was looking great until the shit hit the fan. It just blew through my bottom side. But it's like, I mean, that thing, it's the January 20th expiration. I got time to let that thing settle down. Hopefully rise back up and get inside that condor. Then there's not a problem. But, yeah. I'll close that fucker before expiration. Trust me. I'll just take the. That's what I like about the defined risk trades. I'll take the loss. Don't want that thing to go to expiration, especially if I got some options in the money and shit. That's a no-no. I don't want to get a sign. Do not want 100 shares of your stock, dude. You're a fucking train wreck right now. Oh, Elon. Crushing his wealth. Every Twitter file he releases, he loses another few billion. Yeah, look at the dollar pumping. Right to the center of the weekly now. Let's see what happens. Maybe it's got the gusto to get through, man. It hasn't. It's been just rejecting off of that weekly range.
Why they're ripping the market down, man.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah, for sure. For freaking sure. Which is good.
This fat outlier on the minis. Boom.
Nike, pull back down. Yeah, what am I let's see here. Yep, that baby's closed. Boom, boom. Beautiful. Positions. So I got, yeah, I still got a Nike, Tesla, and Uber trade. What did I put on an Uber? I think I call vertical. Let's see here. Yep. Yep. Good, good. Good, good. Good, 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 good. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's see here. Let's take a peek. See where this fucker's going here. There you are. Zippity doo dah, zippity doo. 4 hour. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, setting up some hidden bull. That returns oscillator turns up. Shot right back down into trend. Predictor flip.
What are you looking at? CarMax?
CarMax, yeah. I don't think this thing's going any deeper. I really don't. Yeah, the Z-score's buried. Fisher's buried. Trending though. At the deviation band. And starting to slope back up positive, and we got volatility expansion right now. Yeah, this thing's probably going to shoot back up. I wouldn't be a bit surprised. I mean, I haven't read, obviously. I mean, it's not like I'm fucking expert reading earnings reports, but it looked kind of, I mean, it definitely didn't look. It's just the market conditions, though. Fuck, it's a bad time for anything.
Remember, it's all the assistants trading today. You know that.
Yeah, everybody's gone.
Yeah.
Everybody's gone.
All they do is have rules of just don't lose money.
Right?
Yeah.
You won't have a job.
Yeah.
You'll find yourself on the unemployment line. Let's see. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's cute. Yasha's kids drew a little Merry Christmas card. It says the sound is whack today. I don't know. I don't know. Easy, easy, easy. What are we looking at here? Order flow. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Auto devices are dead. I see. I see.
It's like the 6th time I forgot TastyWorks fucking password.
Right.
Do not, man. Let's do not.
But yeah, that expected move down there in CarMax has been another 4 points. Man, it nailed it. Let's see. So right now the markets are bleeding. Bleeding. But VIX, I mean, just VIX isn't moving, man. VIX is not moving.
Dow's down 300 points.
Right. Yes, it is. Oil was heading back towards 80, but we'll see. It drops off. So gold back down to 18. Is there anything else looking? Yeah, just that CarMax. SPX. I know natural gas was up yesterday, down today. Fucking cold. Natural gas should be pumping. But yeah, everything's pretty much. I just these fucking kooky ass markets. You'd want to see this VIX rising hard. It's just not, man. So I'm like, when are they gonna fucking fake everybody out and run this thing up a bit? Wouldn't doubt it. What's up, buddy? You're over here whining and shit. Gotta go let these yahoos out. Yeah, I'm gonna throw my studded tires on my car, I think, later today. Prepare for a little bit of snow. Problem is, where I live in the boonies, man, it's hilly as shit. Lots of big hills. My driveway's a train wreck too. Got these big ravines on the front and back of the property, and I got the driveway goes through the front one. So yeah.
Oh, fuck! I lost my pants.
You lost your pants?
Lost my pants from last night.
It happens.
Mm-hmm.
I love it.
Damn it. Like I said, I went to this party last night. That's not saying anything good. This guy was a CEO and an investment banker. He
Right?
had 150 people in there with no problem. His house. It's gorgeous.
Nice.
Yeah, I made some bad decisions.
That happens as well.
Well, I don't mean last night. I just meant in life.
Yes, I agree. Me too.
Yeah. You know, turned right and I should have went left or whatever, however you say that. Yeah.
Right.
Wow.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Wow, they are just smoking this thing down, man. These minis or NASDAQ minis are looking for 11,097. Perfection.
Yeah, let me get on these NASDAQ.
This is a what? All in 1 hour. Let me see the 1 minute.
I missed the CarMax. Should have got in that trade yesterday.
Do me a favor, look at the minis for me, will you?
Oh, I'm
NASDAQ
there.
minis.
Yep.
MNQ1. Oh, you may not have it live, but MNQ1 exclamation.
Hmm.
Close enough. See that S1 at 1191. Maybe you've seen the same thing.
Oh.
That's NQ1. That's the big one. It's MNQ.
MNQ.
MNQ1 exclamation.
Q.
I just want to see if your V area should be the same as mine. Look at that free fall.
Yeah.
So you have it traded 11,161. It's actually 11,121, but that's fine. So you have that green cross down there at 11.
Like 11.1.
Yeah, it's right there right now.
Yeah, right at the monthly. What is that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a monthly S1. Let me see here. Where are you, monthly? God, is that you?
Yeah, a lot of support right there.
What the fuck? A minute here. Is that the center of the monthly right there? Where the hell's the top? Where's the bottom of the monthly?
I think it's really wide.
Oh, it is.
The middle is
yeah,
like
there's the bottom right there.
11.3 or 11.5, 11.6.
Yeah, so that's the monthly S1. Right down there at 11.1. Yeah, it's charging. It's almost at the 1 SD on the daily, too.
Yeah.
I mean, it's past that. Yeah, you said, I got this delayed feed.
Right.
Interesting. Yeah, they're definitely we're SPY at right now, 381. Yeah, definitely pre-market. Dropped right through the daily range, almost to the 1 SD as well. Yeah, you got everything. Easy minis, SPY, all at the first standard deviation pretty much. Below. So I got this delayed.
And
It's
there's
only what,
spies on
$5 a month on TradingView to get the updated quotes.
Yeah,
Jesus.
it's worth it. You can get oil. You get anything on NYMEX and CME. You know what I mean? You can get all of them. So it's for that. It's pretty good.
I'm gonna do it later. I need to get for sure. It's $1 right at the center of that weekly, man.
Where's SPY at right there?
Stuck there. Yeah, right down here by the 1SD. Pretty much.
But that's your daily CDR in the middle, right where your cross is, right up. No, right, it's real low, so it's 380. Right.
Right here?
Oh, that's yesterday's. That's yesterday's one I'm looking at.
Yeah, over here. Yeah.
I always forget it creates a new one.
So here's
the minis. It starts at 8 o'clock last night.
Right.
CDR.
Exactly. And here's what, 380.5. It's the first standard deviation. The bottom of the daily range is down there by the 95.4 Laplace, 375. So if SPY's going to dump out here, I can see that being a bottom for the day. Could get through it, there's no doubt, but I see it closing inside there. And you got that probability level right there. So I love, that's that'd be a great place to bounce from, actually. 95.4 Laplace distribution range and the bottom of the daily volatility range.
That's what your blue crosses are?
The blue crosses are normal distribution.
And then the white crosses are Laplace?
Yep, white crosses are Laplace. Okay. So here's the 68.3 surrounding the daily range. And at pre-market dumped below the 68.3 range, pretty much almost to the first standard deviation. Then you can see how these support levels for yesterday's, boom, they just all move up. Daily range up here, and there is the bottom of the daily range, right on the 95.4 Laplace on the daily. 375, like 376. That's a good target. If I were in a quick little trade on SPY, I'd be front running that area. I'd take profit right there. Take profit like, I don't know, 376.5. If this thing's got some juice. If it gets through this first standard deviation, it's definitely going to come down here. Would not doubt it at all. But I'm sure there's going to be a little kick from the algos here at the 1SD. There always is. As I say that, whoa, it just gets nuked. Let's see. Depends on this dollar. Let's see what happens right here. I mean, it's been rejecting off of this range all week. All week. It got above it once and it just ripped right back down below. Sure enough did. Where are we? Interesting. So yeah, what's the difference between those two NASDAQ micros?
What do you mean?
Well, you said one. You said I had the big one up.
Yeah, there's the NQ1. That's the big. That's the main futures contract, and then the micros are the MN. So like for example, on the SPY, the ES is $500 a point.
Right.
And then there's MES, which is $5 a point.
I got you now. All right.
You get what I'm saying? So you know, it's just, it allows more people to play. And there's even one even smaller than that, but I don't play in those.
Right.
So every time it moves, you know, one full point is $5 on the S&P. Whereas if it's on a big one, it's $500 a point.
Yep.
That's where the big money people play.
Oh, yeah.
That's above my pay scale, bro.
The big chads.
Yeah. And that's above my pay scale.
No, I hear you. It's volatile as hell, too.
Oh, yeah. And then really, what's even crazier, then if you start going over the SPX, if you actually play the S&P index, then it's even crazier. You want to talk about some crazy options, look at those.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, those are vicious.
You need some fucking buying power, too, to start trading them bad boys.
Yes, sir.
If you're selling, Jesus, you need a big account.
Yeah, ain't no joke.
Dude, yeah, a lot of risk there. So even more reason play those defined risk strategies. Let me see here. Let's see what that would be right now. Just on the S&P.
Yeah, look at the SPX. That's crazy.
All right, trade. Let's see what it would be for the. I like February, 56 days out. Yeah, this is where some trades need to be thrown on. Jesus. Hello. What the? How is this trapped up in there like that? What is going on here, man? There we go. Let's see here. Pum, pum, pum. Let's see what a condor. First, I want to look what this buying power would be in a condor. Oof. Jesus. Yeah, these are. Yeah, these bid and ask. Goddamn, dude. You need fucking good eyes to keep up with that shit.
Yeah.
Shit's moving. God, and this expected move is plus or minus 263 points. So you put, let me see here. Let's go way out here. Let's go to this expected move. This condor and see what that thing. Holy shit, man. That baby is way up. There we go. 35.65.
What are you looking at, S&P?
Yeah, just looking at how expensive these options plays are. It's ridiculous.
So they have options on SPY, and then they also have options on the SPX.
Right, and that's right. I'm on the SPX right now.
Are you?
Yep.
I see. Oh, you're on Tasty doing that.
Yeah, I'm off chart fucking looking at it. 10-point wide.
Dude, no transparency whatsoever.
Exactly.
This is bullshit. I can't work under these conditions.
I cannot work under these conditions. Something's not right.
It's tragic.
Yeah, it can be.
I like this area, this right here, for the cues and everything to bounce off this. This is the area. It's here teetering.
Yeah, big time.
The minis and the SPY, this area.
40.90. Wow.
She either holds up or bye-bye. Goldman Sachs is no recession, no rate cuts. Yeah, okay, sure.
Silly.
It's all good again.
Here's a good fucking trade right here, man, actually. God, it only takes $570. And that's what I love about these defined risk trades. So, but that's only a 10-point spread. God, I like it, though. And it's about right.
SPY.
You're getting about 50% of the spread, too. $4.20 off of... yeah, I got the bottom side at what, 40, or top side at 40.80, and the call's at 40.90. The column selling's at 40.80, but it's max loss $580, max profit 420. The pop is 55%, 50% pop is 71%. It's actually a pretty good trade, man. It's actually a pretty good trade. I don't know if I want to play with this beast though. Especially, I'm out at the February.
If you're on SPX, be careful, man.
I'm not. I was just looking what kind of buying power is going to take. That's the defined risk trades. That's why. Would I get in here naked? No. It's like running through the thicket bush naked. No, thank you.
I'd probably, if you were going to sell short an SPX, you'd probably have to have $1 million in your account.
Oh,
you know what
at
I mean?
least.
Yeah.
At least.
Ain't no joke.
No. And I'm not into selling naked options, man. Your risk is, whoa. No thanks. You can wreck your account real fast. Real fast. Especially, man, these markets are so volatile right now. Shit is moving around, flying. So that was interesting. Okay. These micros, they are definitely, where are they at now?
Micros?
Yep.
They're trading, stay with me, they're trading 11,113, 114, 115, somewhere in there.
Yep. Yeah, it looks like it's finding support on that monthly level down there, that S1. It is. So there's the bottom right there. There's the bottom of the monthly. Pretty sure that is. Yeah, it is. 1130, 11377. Then there's the center of the monthly, 11607.
Yeah, so down in that area. Oh, you're live now. That's what I got, right?
Yeah, how am I live?
Oh, you're not. No, you're still delayed.
Yeah, I just think it's fluttering down here by this range.
Yeah,
just staying
because it's
right
back up above at 1113 or 113.
Right.
Be interesting because you can trade options on these things too. God, we're degenerates.
Right.
But you know what I mean. So like in the morning, if we end up going down that path we were talking about trading for an hour or two, it'd be interesting.
Yeah, for sure.
Lots of things to play with, man. Lots of things to play with.
Big time.
All right, here's mine.
All right, Matt at Alpha Trading. Go into our Discord and call that dude a scammer. Let's watch him melt down. I got him crying. He's like, please, sir, don't be so aggro. I'm just saying, I'm not being aggro. I'm laughing at you. If you're posting charts into like a crypto alpha channel and you're using Market Cipher, that is a known scam. Get the fuck out of here, man.
It's Market Cipher.
Exactly. It's actually a wave trend indicator that's an area form with some little gimmicks, some little bells and whistles. That is a total shit indicator.
Okay.
This guy promotes it. He's posting charts. Saw him posting all kinds of fuck. I don't know, man.
Who is that, your buddy?
Oh, he ain't my buddy.
Well, we're talking about the same guy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Your nemesis?
I've been tweaking on him a little bit.
Okay.
Because he's fake, man. Yeah, there's something about him.
I thought you said all this shit was real shit, though.
What are you talking about?
Are we talking about Bali or whatever that guy used to
No.
Oh.
No, we're not talking about him. We're just talking about some rando in some Discord.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
That's using a total scam indicator, and he's posting charts and shit. And
well, look, again, like, just like when I pointed out to you guys that when I had you check out the other guy that I'm going down to sit with in a couple of weeks. I mean, look, at least his is a price number. So,
yeah.
Yeah.
And he's a trader. He's a trader. This guy's a clown to me. This other guy is a total clown to me.
Trader, man.
And he's like,
you can tell real quick, man, when you go in somewhere. You know what I mean?
And he's like promoting, or he's like talking about, oh, this great life and this property he has up in the mountains in Northern California. Every question I've asked, talked about Northern California, he's never got an answer for it. He won't post pictures of his fucking property. He won't. It's like, this guy is just a...
Yeah.
It's crazy. I don't know why he rubs me the wrong way. Probably the Market Cipher. I don't like scammers.
Well, that's the problem. Is I'm the same way, dude. It's ethics, man.
Yeah.
I mean, trust me, we're in Wall Street here, so I know there's no ethics, but still, though, man.
Yeah, 100%.
It's just bad juju, dude.
It is. I mean? In the end, yeah, it's not going to work out for you. It
always comes around, I promise you.
Yeah, oh, yeah, it does.
It always comes around.
For sure.
Dude, Boeing is 192. Wow.
I'm gonna go ask him if he got a free bowl of soup and a bucket hat with that Market Cipher indicator. Go ask him, MJ. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna leave the guy alone.
Don't waste your time.
No. Well, it's just fun. I'm bored. I'm online most of the day, so Discord's up. People are like, what's this dude? What's he just hang out on Discord all day? No, actually I don't. I'm actually in the charts. I'm actually working. Just Discord's up. And when I see silly stuff, I call it out. It's okay. Let me see here. Yeah, I bet. I see these micros bouncing from here, right around that 1 SD. Now, obviously, they could. Let's see here, real quick.
If they hold, I don't know.
Go back over here. Boom. Let's see. Add this baby.
My RMLRs say yes, but I don't know. Yes, it looks like it's gonna pop.
It's popping. this baby all the way up, put it next to the other one. I'll have them both on there.
Tomorrow's a full day session, right? Friday?
Pretty sure.
I hear Monday's the day of the holiday, the actual. So we always used to look for the longest possible one. So when I was trading there, and the longest you could possibly have off is 3.5 days.
Okay.
So I'm wondering if they did a half a day tomorrow and a full day on Monday, but I don't think it's a half day tomorrow.
Right.
Because you can't be closed 4 days in a row by law.
Huh.
Did you know that? It's a law.
Yeah, I've heard. I did not know that. I didn't know it was a
why
law.
Thanksgiving is the way. Yeah, it's a law. That's why Pearl Harbor and 9/11 are the only 2 days it's ever hit.
Ah, right.
Yeah. There's a little known Cliff Clavin piece of information for you.
Yeah, it's nice. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers.
What a great show that was.
So I think the way it works out, the longest that it is, that Christmas falls on a Friday. So then you get a half a day Thursday, a full day Friday, and then the weekend. And that's the longest you can. That's the maximization of the weekend.
I thought Christmas was on Sunday.
It is, but I'm saying if Christmas would have fell on Friday, it would have been a half a day today and off tomorrow.
Oh, I got you now. Yep.
So that's the only way you can max out. Oh, here we go on these minis, man. All right. You know what I mean? So that's the longest way you can have the longest time off.
Woof.
And then next week it would be the same thing for New Year's, because we are off next Monday too. So we're closed this Monday and next Monday.
Yeah, this is a hell of a move on these minis, man. I mean, these Fishers, woof. Big outlier. The Z-score already ran down through all these confidence intervals. I mean, blew them out. Then tried to pull back up and then just rolled over again. Literally just rolled over. No bull div anywhere. And we're on the 33-minute. Trending hard to the downside. Volatility expanded to 100%. All the lengths are just screaming up. I'm sure they're all significantly negatively correlated.
Donnie wants to throw some shade. Guys are too funny. What does shade mean? Is that new? Is that a word?
Oh, yeah.
New.
No, he's over on the Bubble Goose server. He's on the Bubble Goose server. But I'm pretty sure it's like you have to be a holder. Probably see those channels. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's it's crazy. It's the first thing I noticed. It's like, yeah, he's using a market cipher.
So pay attention to Hikinashi on the other side, sorry.
Oh, nice. Got some Hikinashi working, huh?
Well, look, let me post another one. I just want you to see something. This is what I think is interesting about it, and maybe I'm wrong, so because I didn't have it scrolled up right, but I'm posting another one, and I like how the numbers kind of jive. It gives me another level. So you can see the S1 is on the right side is at 11.091, and here it's at 11.074. It just gives me another level.
Right.
And it looks like it's going right to it right now.
Yeah, man, if it works, it works.
Wow. And I'm not pushing it. I know you guys think it's, Japanese BS.
I mean, it's just there's indicators that are built for, there's indicators built for Hikinashi and for Renko and shit. Like you want to see the indicators just get wild, throw Renko on. I mean, they just distort like crazy.
Let me see what that would Renko. That's the other weird one I asked you guys about.
Yeah, old Renko.
Oh, this is the one that looks like Roblox.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow. Well, this is interesting. So look at this. If you put it on, so look at this one on the left. So you see what I mean? It picks the top with all that shit.
Yasha's having a heart attack right now. I'm gonna get back on
that. No, he is.
Oh, whoops. Where am I?
Has the monthly, daily, and weekly all just jammed in with about 30 points there. See it?
Yeah.
I don't look at it on the other indicators. I just look at it on the price action ones. But it's strange how it picks all those. That's the top. Maybe that's what it's supposed to do.
There we go. We got some bull div on the 15. Bull div on the 15. Man, that 15 minute. I mean, these indicators just, Jesus. Just playing the entropy in the predictor. Play the entropy in the predictor. I mean, this trend was just growing. Thing is you're in and out of these trades, though. I mean, when this entropy turns up, you don't know, it could be going back into randomness. It can continue to trend, but when you're down on these deviation bands, you just never know. It's better just take your profit and then get another entry. Thing continues to move.
Well, you can play line from line too, you know, like from the S1 to the monthly. That's a quick look on this that's
100%.
That's 91 to 79. That's a 13-point move on 4 contracts. That's a nice little payday. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Big time.
I mean, that's the kind of the way I use them. So
let me see here. Yeah, and you have to do it in real time, like right now where it's at, and that's what I do when I'm trading. I mean, these are the VRE in this chart, man. I'm all over it.
Dude, it's breaking those now. NASDAQ minis are breaking that now. Its next name I got is 11,006. That's on a weekly center, and that's one. Wow.
The boom boom.
Right there, your green cross is on the minis right down there. 11,000.
Yeah. Yep.
Looks like that's the next targets down there.
You're talking about the minis?
Yeah, the NASDAQ minis. Mm-hmm. It's aiming for those. That's my next big right where your cross is right there. That's where it looks like it's on mine. Is
that the weekly S1? I think so.
Yeah. I mean, we're already down 415 on the Dow. Wow. God, it's ugly.
Yeah, right at 11K is the weekly S1. But it's what's the read right now? What's the updated quote?
11,066.
Yeah, so it's right about here. Yeah, it's definitely dropping. Like I said, there's the bottom. Or no, that's not the bottom. There's the bottom of the daily. Right down here at about 10.8. What is it? 10.891.
Yeah, somewhere down there. We get down there, man. Oh boy.
I mean, we're also talking about 2SD, 95 for Laplace. This is an area that probably won't get breached. Can, but I would. I'm looking for a bounce around there if this thing continues down. We're definitely looking for a bounce. Especially we got this bull div building, but it's only on the 15, really. Yeah, I don't know, man. Definitely looking red. I'll tell you that. Definitely looking red. Where did Yasha put those? There they are. There they are. Woo! She red.
Oh, look at that.
Red.
Maroon.
Need a bookmark out. Boom. Boom. Yeah, Jesus. Got a little green in here. FedEx. They had that earnings plate. Still up, what 1.36%. It's all right. What the fuck? You see something? Yeah, it's a little behind. It's still up a little, though. It's the only thing green. Yeah, FedEx and oil. VIX is starting to move a little bit. What's the last thing these markets want? That VIX start ripping towards 30 or something. These things are just gonna gonna have a fucking meltdown.
Oh, oil's all the way back up. I saw gas here for $2.65 yesterday.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh, look at that.
Crypto bubbles. What the hell is XDC?
FTT is still trading?
What?
That FTT is still traded, isn't it? That's not.
Oh yeah.
Is that,
of course it is. We're in crypto.
It's still around?
I think so, man. Hell, fucking Luna's still around, isn't it?
It's 84 cents. Oh, dude, this just trades just like the pink sheets, man.
Dude, I think that's a good buy. That's a good buy level. I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole.
I can't believe this thing is still trading legally.
Dude, that's the problem with crypto.
Let's just
I love it.
Today.
And I love the decentralized nature. I love the people get an opportunity to be their own bank. But it's pretty much been shown that a lot of people can't be trusted to be their own bank. It's insane,
Pretty
man.
well said there, bro.
It's a hell of a responsibility. And a lot of people just don't realize what it entails to start getting into cryptocurrency. They're used to their bank doing everything, or their broker, right? Their financial advisor. And they're like, oh, I'm going to get into cryptocurrency. I think this is great. It's like, okie doke, good luck.
Keep an eye on that True Leaf too, man. Looks like she's trying to find a bottom down there.
Yeah, where the hell?
TCNNF.
TCNF, I got it. Where the hell is it at? Put it under. I got one cannabis stock. Boop! There it is.
Again,
oh yeah, it's popping.
So I don't know what. I don't have my live stuff up, so
it's starting to pop. It's having an outlier on the 33 minute anyway. Yeah, this thing actually looks like it's moving.
It might be worth a point or two. You know what I mean?
Wow, you got some good bull div on the 4 hour. Fishers are turning up, heading back into random price action. Volatility, gonna have to wait till this close, see that change up. That's what's holding it down.
Now no one's promoting or being paid to promote True Leaf.
And boom, I mean, we got this bull div bouncing right off the zero mean. Yeah, I mean, this thing could pop. There's no doubt about it.
I'm looking at it for a little quick trade, man. That's what I'm telling you. All right.
I'm pretty sure they got that on Tastyworks, man. I can just buy stock on Tastyworks.
I think you can.
Yeah. What is that? What's a ticker? T.
Tom, Charlie, Nancy, Frank.
Yep. Let's see.
I think I was able to look it on there.
Nancy, Frank. Tom, Charlie, Nancy, Frank. It's actually not popping.
No, then I wasn't.
But those guys love the cannabis stocks. They're always talking about it.
I mean, you got Tilray. I think you got a few of them that down here. You know, like Tilray and what's the other one? There's Tilray and there's like two that don't trade on Canada.
Yeah, it's not on here. It is not on here. It's okay.
All right.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm out. I gotta find my pants.
Go find your pants, man.
I know, man. I can't find my freaking pants. It's not good, dude.
Later. What a riot. Gotta love P-Funk. Got me laughing. Just comes right out. I don't know where my pants are. Like, I've had that problem before. Usually a lot of tequila involved. I lost my pants in Miami. Let's see here. Oh, boy. Matt, what the hell are you doing? You driving? You speaky? Conference calling?
Yo.
Dealing in rock? What's up?
You hear me?
I can hear you now.
Yeah, I came on your phone calls till about 5 minutes ago.
Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Yeah, man. Everything's looking dumpy here, huh?
Spooging, man. Woof. Yeah, bleeding out like crazy. I mean, bleeding out. Yesterday was all green. Pretty much. Not today. Not today, sir. But, man. And obviously we just got a new, 4 hour? Yep, got a new 4 hour candle on the micros. They're in a league of their own. But yeah, SPY's giving up. I mean, I was saying VIX wasn't rising. Man, it's starting. It's starting to. But still, it's low. As crushed as some of these assets are, you would literally think VIX would be up around 30, above 30, working its way up towards 40.
Yeah.
But it's just not, man. That's why I'm like, what in the hell is going on? And the dollar. The dollar keeps just rejecting off this weekly range. It's showing strength. I mean, man, it kicked up off this 68.3 Laplace on the daily perfectly. That's why I like to show people. Where are you putting, what are you, support and resistance on what? Data set levels? Come on, man. It's all about the returns. It's all about the distribution. I mean, look, not one 15-minute candle closed below the 68.3 Laplace. Got one wick through the weekly S1. Pulled up, then you got 2 wicks down, and then bounced. Right up to where? Didn't close that 15-minute candle above the daily range. Rejects off that. Makes a run to that 4-hour 1SD. Didn't quite get there. But then pumps right through it all. Right back up to the center of the weekly. And rejected. Where'd it kick off of? Right here. So that would be the, wow, 68.3 on the 4-hour. Just got a wick down too. Looks like it supported it too. Crazy. I mean, you see this dollar go to in that VIX horizon? Man, these things are going to be, it's going to be a bloodbath.
Yeah.
Going to be a bloodbath. Oh, it's already working that way. What's going on with that CarMax? Yeah, man, it's kicking up from that level. That would have been a great play, though. I would have definitely had to throw on a Condor. I'd be safe right now. I mean, that bottom side of it was at 49, I think. I think 49. Yeah. What is our little, let me see here. KE, where you at, Nike?
Wow. NASDAQ's really dumping out.
What is?
NASDAQ.
Right. How in the fuck? What?
Neutral Tesla's doing. Ooh, 132. Ooh.
Yeah, Tesla just fucking
Oh.
getting wrecked, dude.
Yeah.
That's going to be, I'll tell you what, man. I've never been too interested in buying any Tesla stock, but there's going to be a really good buy here at some point. I'll tell you that. That's a no-brainer. They're trying to crush his wealth. They've been doing a good job. Doing a real good job. What the hell do I hear? What am I getting pinged over in that other server? I got that dude all twisted. He'll be alright. He'll be alright. Can't look at a market cipher without calling out a scammer. Let me see here. Yeah, man. This fucking night trade. Jesus.
He doesn't really seem to put on any trades or whatever, but yeah, I mean,
Just showing it.
it's just nonsense talk.
It's, dude. I read like 2 lines. I was like, I can't do this. Can't read this bullshit. I cannot be reading this. No, sir. Let me get a little bit of boom here. Let's see. What's this thing all about? Analysis. Kicking up. All right, so I'm 19 in. All right, that's good. That's good. Yeah, that you were probably on conference calls. That Adobe earnings play fucking was great for me.
Oh, nice.
Yep, just closed it.
Sweet.
Yep, like 90% profit. I skipped over the 50%. Tom would be ashamed of me. It just looked good. I was like, yeah, I'm not closing this, man. That'd be stupid. But yeah, I'm good. Like right now where Nike's at, I'm in profit up to 117.5. And the way these markets are looking, but Nike's holding strong, man. Shit, it's not dumping like everything else. It's only down 0.75%. Yeah, where there's some shit getting wrecked right now. Tesla being one of them.
Yeah.
Kind of leading the pack. No, called that shit too. Let me see here. Yeah, silver definitely pulling back. We talked about that yesterday. Talked about it yesterday. I was like, at 24 level, that thing's probably not going to get breached. Not yet, anyway. There was a bunch of bear div, too. Bunch of bear div. CarMax, still down 8%. Interesting. That earnings play, that would have been good, man. God, if you would have put on a put spread, I'd already be out of the trade, 100%. 100%. Closing that sucker. Very good. Is there anything anybody wants to look at? Siege Man, you got anything specific? Any tickers you want to look at? crypto. I don't care if it's a shitcoin, 1,000 rank shitcoin. I'll pull it up. We will look at anything. Time to fly. You got anything? I'm going to get back with you too. I'm getting some freed up time. It's crazy right now during the holidays. I'm sure you're busy too. We'll get at it though. We will get at it. Let me see. RVN. Yasha says RVN. Isn't that, what is that?
Coin?
Huh?
Isn't that Raven coin?
Yeah. Dude, I made some money off of Raven a long time ago, man. The thing's still around, huh? Just kidding. It's actually not a bad project, to be honest. That's why I was in on it. RVN. I got in like at the bottom too, man. Weren't you in on Raven?
No.
You said no.
No.
No, sir. There we go. Oh God, is it Raven USD? There it is.
No, I missed out on the Lunas and the Ravens and all that. I never got in on them.
Raven coin, US dollar. Bittrex? Sure. I'd say it's a little illiquid, but hey, it's all good. Jesus. I'll say it again. Not very much liquidity in it. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah, Ravens, I liked it, man. I haven't heard much about it until you just, boom. Let's see here what's going on. Just setting up some hidden bear. Oops, cannabis snow. Go back to traditional. There we go. Interesting. Oh, dude, I'm sure. 1 minute, huh? Ouch. That's a fucking mess, man. I don't know. He's laughing at me. It's like, I knew I'd get him on the 1 minute. Dude. Yeah. But we are on Bittrex too. You know what? Let's, Ravencoin, Binance US. Yeah, man. Same. There's just no liquidity in this thing. Let's see against US dollar.
Are you still on, are your candles right?
Dude, there's just no liquidity in this thing. Yeah, that's right. Look, go to SPY. It's just
Gotcha.
It's just Raven, man. There's just not a lot of liquidity.
I was like, if he still has his Renko candles.
Oh no, sir. Okay, what's Lasha telling me? Go to just Binance, regular Binance. What's it against Tether? Little more. Yep, there's a little more liquidity now. Yeah, there we go. Something to look at. Okay. Doesn't look good. Yeah, hidden bear on a bunch of shit, man. See this thing going lower. That brings us to Bitcoin. That brings us to Biddy. Oh, Bitcoin. Let's see what you're up to. It's like Bitcoin's not what? The fuck? There it is. Wait a minute here. There it is. Boom. Bitfinex. What? Longs? Where in the fuck? How did this all get twisted up? US dollar Bitcoin index. There it is. How did my longs get up here? Where are the shorts? Boom. Yeah, for some reason they got all twisted on me, man. Is that the index? Yes. Let's pull up this weekly chart. Bitcoin. What you doing? Because that crypto's going to die. Blah, blah, blah. Dinosaur says, no. I laid the egg that created Bitcoin. It's been a bull its entire life. Nothing about this looks bearish. Nothing. Let's see. Oh, yeah. The dogs. Come on, girl. Where's your brother? Got a storm coming. Shit. When's this storm supposed to hit? Tonight? Coming in hot? don't know, man. This thing's pushing north. It's supposed to miss me. And it's not even a big system. It's just powerful, I guess. Going to dump. Yeah, it looks like you're already getting some action, MJ, yeah?
I'm sorry, for what?
It looks like it's already bad weather where you're at. Is it snowing?
Dude, we've got an inch and a half. Yeah.
Yeah, I can see it. Yeah, it's definitely snowing where you're at. I am clear.
Hopefully it's going to be warming up and rain, and it's all going to be washed away later today, but soon.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. This baby's bearing down on me. God damn it.
Yeah, what are you guys supposed to get?
Man, it's up in the air because it's supposed to. They're saying the storm's going to stay north of I-70. I'm probably about, I don't know how many miles exactly I'm south of I-70, but I'm right on the border. And you can see that storm, the one that's coming towards me, it's kind of ramping up. It's going like northeast. Where that's what, P-Funk's talking about, man. I think that whole entire length of the storm could just move northeast right through that area where he's at and miss me, but I mean, it's only snowed once. We just got maybe a half inch. Which, hey, I'm all for it. Screw the snow. Yeah, it looks like right now Kansas City's just getting belted. Belted. Man, I think this thing's going to miss me, man.
Wow.
If you look at a live Doppler feed, man, it's moving northeast fast. Heading towards Chicago and Detroit. Interesting. But yeah, that storm on the East Coast, man, that thing is just like hovering. Looks like it's dropping a ton of snow, though. I bet all those ski resorts getting hammered. What's that one? Seven Springs or something?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what it's called?
Yeah, Seven Springs.
Yeah, Seven Springs. Some guys I ended up befriending in Tahoe. We actually were roommates when I first got out there. They were all from that area. I think I told you that. All of them. All of them were fucking Philly boys.
Yep.
And then Neil was the one from Pittsburgh, the ends. And he would he was out there for a while, so I mean, he kind of lost the accent. That's what happens. You go out to California. I mean, before you know it, you fucking sound like you've been there. But when he would drink, when he'd get drunk, nobody could understand a word because he'd go into full yins. People are like, "What's yins?" You're like, "Go watch Pittsburgh Dad on YouTube." It's funny shit. They got their own language.
100%.
Pittsburgh's an interesting place. Their fans are rabid. Hell, growing up, I was a Steeler fan. We went to that.
You're Franco Harris, man.
Dude, it's beautiful.
Oh, he was a good dude.
Dude, big time. And freaking, went to, was it the AFC Championship game? Jim Harbaugh was the quarterback. Went into Pittsburgh. We went to that game. And remember on the last play, Harbaugh threw that fucking Hail Mary and it just rolled off of Flipper Anderson's chest in the end zone. He almost caught it to win the game. So when the Colts got the ball back, I was like, there was a timeout. I go to the bathroom. I go in the bathroom. There's some big dude in there. And I've got my coat unzipped and with my Colts jersey. And as soon as I walk in, the dude's back's to me. And he literally is punching the like towel holder off the wall, screaming, "Give me a Colts fan." It was like, zip. I zipped up my coat. I was like, these motherfuckers are going to kill me in here, man. Everybody's egging them on. Tear up the bathroom. Yeah. It's like, oh my God. Fucking nuts. It's like, I'm all right one-on-one. But yeah, I'm going to get mugged in here. Find me in a urinal or something. Yeah, that place is crazy. And I like that stadium, right? Dude, it's like just a glorified high school stadium. Just everything's steel and concrete. There's like nothing not, I mean, it's like, right? It's like down to earth. It's just like it's weird.
Yeah, nothing like ultra fancy.
Yeah, nothing at all. Not like these new big stadiums and shit. Like the Colts Stadium, Dallas stuff. I mean, it's just, yeah. You go into the Pittsburgh Stadium, you're like, what the hell? It's pretty crazy. Good times, though. Football fans can get a little crazy. Well, fuck, it's 10:30. It is 10:30. Time we punch out of here. I think these markets are going to kick up from here, to be honest, at least the rest of the day. The dollar's struggling, like I said. Keep an eye on the dollar. This weekly range, see if this thing keeps rejecting. You get a little relief here. Bitcoin's bouncing off the S2, it looks like. Tight weekly range, or tight daily range on Bitcoin, too. This could be the beginning of the trend. This thing could bounce right back up. Don't be shocked. I mean, I'm going to be honest right here. I think crypto's in better shape than freaking traditional markets. I'm going to be honest. The trad markets are, oof, ugly. Except old Nike here, man. Nike wants to go. Nike's one of the only things green. Figures. Testing me. It's testing me. FedEx Night, Netflix. As VIX rises. Good deal. Well, tomorrow, Friday, last trading day of the week for traditional markets, going into the holiday weekend for crypto. Be careful. Yeah, I would not be a bit surprised to see some fuckery over the holidays. It's the best time to do it. So yeah, keep an eye out. The link to the Alpha Trading Discord is in the description. There's a lot of educational material in here. Come on in. Open up a support ticket. Request the Volatility Starter Pack. Just get you started on that path of volatility trading. And don't be shy. Bunch of nice people in here. Come in, ask questions. There's never a bad question when it comes to volatility trading. This stuff is not easy. You give yourself some time, though. You are going to be very happy with the results you will get in the future. It's all about returns, right? Yes, it is. In all aspects of life, all about returns. So yeah, everybody, wherever you're at on this big, beautiful blue marble, have a wonderful rest of your morning, afternoon, or evening. We'll see you tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. See you guys.
So yeah.